Hello everyone, in this quick video I'll show you how to make a WhatsApp sticker. And yes, this method will work on both iOS and Android. So just follow my steps. First, open your WhatsApp app on your phone. Open the contact to whom you would like to send or make stickers. Now tap on the emoji icon. If we tap here, we'll see some ready to use stickers. If you would like to create our own personalized sticker, then tap on create. Also here will be some ready to use stickers. Okay, now select any photos that you would like to create stickers from and wait a few seconds for the stickers to be created. Tap here to write something on your stickers. And tap on this image icon to add some extra image to your stickers. To stylize your text, tap on the text icon again and write whatever you want. You can change the color of your text and background. Now tap on this green icon and yes, our new sticker has just been sent to our contact and we can use it later as well. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.